Aloha from Kona! We have made it. This place is beautiful, like, so nice. Look at the surfers out there. So we're just heading out to the store now. But first we're going to the closest beach to check that out, so let's have a look.
Completely failed at that store. It had nothing, and everything that it did have was really expensive, so we just missed the shuttle into town. So we'll probably just chill for the rest of the day until we can go get some food. We'll check back in with you when we do something interesting.
See you later.
We may have just bought a tub of Ben & Jerry's each that we're now devouring. And this is dinner. We're definitely adults. We're definitely not children at heart.
The weather over the next few days was a little bit cloudy, so we spent some time down at the local beach in Kona snorkeling. On a couple of the nights the sunset turned out to be really nice, so we walked across the road onto the beach to watch it. We had a load of videos but I accidentally deleted them, so here's some pictures instead.
Hi guys, we just hired a car and we're heading over to Hilo for the day. Gonna explore some volcanoes and waterfalls. It's gonna be good. Such a nice drive. So that was the Kaka Falls, and next up we're going to Rainbow Falls. I can't believe how beautiful the waterfalls are here.
Lava coming down out of the volcano, and maybe I'm going into the sea, so that should be cool. And I'm racing the sun a little bit, but it's so beautiful. So weird, you can hear the rock like cracking as it's cooling. So weird.
Can't believe how cool this place is. I can't believe that you can just see the lava and you can get so close to it. I can feel the heat coming through my shoes. That's how hot it is here. It's like a sauna.
Morning, it is the next day now. We are back on the road again today. We had a super late night last night. We didn't get back to the hostel until I think 11:45 or something like that, and then we got up again today at 7. So we're a bit tired, but it's all good. We are going snorkeling this morning and hopefully going to see some turtles, and then to a green sand beach, which is one of 4 in the world, and then we're going to climb up a mountain for sunset and stay till the stars come out, so that should be cool. But you probably didn't need to know any of that because we're going to show you it as we get there. So yeah, it's going to be a good day.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
So we finished up snorkeling and now we're going to see this green sand beach. There wasn't much sea life in the sea when we were snorkeling. We didn't see any turtles or anything, which was a bit disappointing, but there was heaps of fish and some really cool coral, so that was good. But yeah, this walk to this green sand beach, if you get a 4x4 you can drive down it, and some of these roads are crazy. Take a look.
It's funny, it feels like we're on Mars or something. The terrain is just crazy. Look at this. My feet are absolutely killing me. We've done so much walking in the last few days and it's all been on such uneven terrain. I'll be so glad tomorrow to just sit down and not have to walk anywhere for a day. Oh, feeling it today. Exhausted, but it's worth it. So we just spotted our first green sand. That must mean we're getting close.
Hope so.
The end is in sight. Both got very sunburnt today. I don't know if you can see. Oh no. what this cloud's doing, but it's just all huddled together in the middle of nowhere.
You and me will kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. 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 Just run away with me, darling. We'll get.
We just arrived as the sun popped behind a mountain, but we've been left with some nice colours, so that's all good.
With me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
The next day again now. I'm just taking Hetty back to the rental company. Kay's still in bed after another late night yesterday. So yeah, it's another glorious morning. I'm not sure what we're getting up to today, but hopefully it's going to be good. So yeah, enjoy the ride.
Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real
There we go then, easy as that, we're back. Time to go and wake Kay up.
lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever.
What a way to end our time on Big Island. We just had the nicest sunset and we've got turtles on the beach. It's been a great time, hasn't it? Yeah,
Pretty
over
good.
to Maui tomorrow. Feel the cogs whirring.